So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Dehati ma'am, and this is Yashoda. And friends, I've come across a problem of each and every learner that they don't have environment to speak with. They don't know the process. Okay, they don't know the method how to practice English speaking because they do grammar. Okay, they work on grammar. After that, it's really very important, it's crucial for everyone to work on their speaking skills, because until they start speaking they will never ever be able to fluent in this language. But the problem is that whom to talk with, how to do speaking practice all alone despite not having English environment, and how will I be able to be fluent in this language. So if I ask a question, what do you think? How many fluent speakers are over there? So, did all they have English environment? No. The answer is no. They have just created that environment. And because of that environment, now today they are speaking, they are able to impress others by their communication or speaking skills. So, let me tell you the way I used to do practice and you are supposed to do practice using that process. And this is storytelling method. Friends, whether you want to you want to add, you want to learn, you want to use different vocabularies in your communication while speaking, or you want to get command over this language, you want to get that fluency in this language, as well as if you want to be an impeccable speaker, then this practice is only help you. This practice can help you a lot, and this is storytelling method. In storytelling method you have to use only simple tenses. There's no you need to use only advanced structures, or even a beginner can use storytelling method to speak and to practice. And there's no need to have others for practicing. And this is totally depends on your imagination. How do you imagine how much you are creative person? If you are really very good at spinning stories, then it's a wonderful thing for you, because people who are good at spinning stories, they can create so many stories. And even I used to do that. एंड लेट मी टेल यू कि अगर आप कोई एक वोकेबलरी है उसको यूज़ करना चाहते हैं, तो उस छोटी सी वोकेबलरी के ऊपर आप एक स्टोरी क्रिएट कर दो. आपके पास कोई एडवांस स्ट्रक्चर है, आप उसको स्पीकिंग के टाइम आप उसको कॉन्वर्सेशन के टाइम अगर यूज़ करना चाहते हैं, आप सीखना चाहते हैं कि कैसे यूज़ करें, देन राइट इट डाउन दैट पर्टिकुलर सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर और वोकैब ऑन अ नोटबुक, एंड ऑलवेज हैव इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू while talking, and create a small story within 5 or 6 lines. And then after spinning 2 or 3 stories, then it would become part of your speaking. ये आपके बोलने का पार्ट बन जाएगा. आप स्टोरी टेलिंग मेथड से कोई भी पर्टिकुलर टेंस की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, और स्टोरी टेलिंग में मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हम पास्ट टेंस की ही प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. पास्ट टेंस इज फॉर ओनली storytelling practice, and after that then everything will be easy for you. Some people or some learners, they say it's really very difficult to speak, it's really very difficult to have environment without any partner. How can we create that environment? Environment will be created by only you. Environment will be created only by you. जस्ट स्टार्ट द प्रोसेस ऑफ थिंकिंग इन माइंड. एंड अगर आप स्टोरी टेलिंग मेथड की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, इससे आपकी वोकेबलरीज इंप्रूव होती हैं, इससे आपकी फ्लुएंसी इंप्रूव होती है, एज वेल एज इससे आपकी जो माइंड की थिंकिंग पावर है, आपकी जो इमेजिनेशन पावर है, ये भी डेवलप होती है. यू कैन ऑल्सो इवेल्युएट योर इमेजिनेशन पावर. यू कैन create that environment just by keep thinking only in English. Because if you indulge yourself totally into storytelling method, then throughout the day you will keep thinking or you will be spinning stories, and only this thing will help you. Just like what you are supposed to do, you are sitting alone in your room, okay, and then have a look in your room. What is there in your room? What is not there in your room that you wanted to have in your room? And if you see anything, just like I have a phone, then definitely there must be some stories, okay, or there must be something very very interesting when you purchase that phone. So speak about that day. What all things, what all activities did you perform on that day before purchasing that phone? And what was your expression after getting that phone? Or anything. Just like speak about the first day when you purchased your bike, when you purchased your car, when you purchased your book, your just like the book that you like a lot. Tell about your friend. Tell about something happened in your past life, something interesting incidents or funny incidents. Tell about your childhood. Tell about your mother's and your father's attitude. How were they and how are they right now? There are so many ways to practice storytelling. आपको वोकेबलरी ऐड करनी है, एक पर्टिकुलर वर्ड ले लो, कोई भी वर्ड जो आपको इंडल्स करना है, ओके. जस्ट लाइक मैं एक शांत लड़की हूँ, ओके, आई एम अ calm girl. But instead of calm, if you want to add serene, because the meaning of serene is calm, so you can start using serene. I am a serene girl, or I am a serene person. And we must have that quality in everyone's personality. This personality should be there in everyone's personality. Because this having this quality in ourselves helps us to be a nice person or ideal person for the society. Because sometimes when people, they don't have their patience, they are not calm and serene person, they lose their patience, and at that very moment they say bad things about others, and it's not good. They say abusive words to others, and just because of they lose their temper. So we shouldn't lose their temper, instead we should be serene. That's it. मैंने एक वर्ड का यूज़ किया और मैंने 5-6 लाइंस में अपनी स्टोरी कंप्लीट कर दी कि हमें क्या करना चाहिए, कैसे होना चाहिए किसी भी चीज़ के ऊपर. जस्ट लाइक यू हैव अ पेन एंड स्पीक अबाउट दैट पेन. You know, I purchased that pen 3 months ago and this is my favorite pen. Actually, I like the color. I like only one thing about this pen is color. And I must say, everyone should have that pen because this pen helps you to write neat and clean. And if you will use that pen in your exam, so definitely you would get good marks, extra marks in your exam by the examiner. तो हमने पेन का यूज़ किया और पेन के ऊपर 3-4 लाइन बना दी. सो दिस इज़ द वे दैट यू हैव टू स्टार्ट डूइंग. आप इस तरह से आप स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो बिना किसी इन्वायरमेंट के, बिना किसी पार्टनर के, और यू विल बी एबल टू क्रिएट दैट इन्वायरमेंट. और आप कोई भी फ्रेज आप पढ़ते हो, ठीक है, या फिर आपने मूवी देखी, आपके सामने 2-3 ऐसे फ्रेज हैं जो आपके दिमाग में बैठ गए हैं, ओके, आप उनका यूज़ करना चाहते हो, तो देन यू कैन स्टार्ट यूजिंग. अगर आप नहीं यूज़ करते, इफ़ यू डोंट यूज़, देन यू विल डेफिनेटली फॉरगेट आफ्टर 2 or 3 days. क्योंकि ये एक साइंटिफिकली ये प्रूव्ड है कि जो भी चीज़ हम ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करते वो हमेशा दिमाग से स्लिप हो जाती है. In the last, I would say only one thing. Promise to yourself and just say it only one thing. I will live up to my expectations. कि मैं अपनी उम्मीदों पर खरा उतरूंगा. I will live up to my expectations. And one day I will show everyone that I am a fluent English speaker and I can speak this language fluently and I am an impeccable speaker. So, इसी विचार के साथ we will end up this video and I must say you have learned so many things from this video. We will meet in a next video. Till then, bye bye.